Hello guys, welcome to my channel. To fix this mfc140u.dll was not found error, please follow the steps shown in this video. The first step is to install Visual C++ file. For this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see x86 and x64, both the files. You have to download and install both the file. Click on it and run this exe file. If you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, click on yes to allow. Download this x64 file as well. Run this exe file. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, click on yes to allow, and let the installation complete. Make sure both the files x86 and x64 both are installed. Once installed, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still you are receiving the error. Then the next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. The command starts from here, IWR, ends at .dll. So make sure that you copy the complete command. Copy it and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell and make sure that you run Windows PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. So let it complete. And once this is done, you can restart your computer and then check. This command is provided in the video description. Copy it carefully from here till here. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall Visual C++ file. Now for this you can type in control panel in Windows search box, go to control panel, click on uninstall a program, find Microsoft Visual Plus file. Here you can see Microsoft Visual C++ file. You can make a right click, you can uninstall it, uninstall Microsoft Visual C++ file. Once you uninstall it, then you can restart your computer and then you can go to the same website, go to the same Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description and install this x86 and x64. And you can even install these if you want to install Visual Studio 2015, 13, 12, 10, 8, 5. If you are able to install these on your computer, you can even install these, but this is must. You install these two and then restart your computer. Still not working, uninstall and reinstall the application which is giving you the error message. So whichever application is giving you this error message, it may be Lightroom, it may be any other application, you can uninstall and reinstall the application and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.